Wonder, wonder, the land of wonders. You have forgotten yourself, frog, and so you have forgotten time. You have grown immensely. Remember who you are. You are now a frog, and perhaps the true explorer, seeking to rebuild the one true realm. A grain of sand isn't strong. An avalanche of sand is much stronger. But what is moving sand without the one who spends time with it? Such a waste. Consider this in the line of time. When the forest awakens, the nation of frogs will prevail. You have decided, and this isn't over.